Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today we're going to make some pineapple bananas smoothie. Okay, guys. I mean, yeah, it's summertime, guys. You have to, get some refreshing smoothies, juice, because it's very hot, especially in Florida. It's very hot. So let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have in this bowl, guys, I have some frozen pineapple and mangoes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some fresh mangoes and some fresh pineapples. Okay, so I have two mangoes I'm going to cut in a minute, and I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Okay, and also I have some sugar. Okay, and this I have like 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, and I have my organic bananas, and I have my fresh pineapple I'm going to use. Okay, and also I have my blender sitting next to me. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut up my pineapple, okay, and my mangoes. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll start. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I have everything ready. Okay, this is my fresh pineapple and mango. Okay, and I have my banana. I'm going to use 2 bananas, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start adding my frozen banana and mangoes first. Okay, and my hands are clean, guys. Okay, don't worry. Okay, and then let me add some fresh pineapple in this one also, and mangoes. Okay, let me put that away. Okay, and now I'm going to put my banana. Okay, actually I'm going to use 2 of them, or 2 of them. I was going to use just 1, guys, but why not just get 2. Okay, I just need more pineapple, that's it. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I'm going to use this big guy. Okay, 1, 2. This big long spoon, guys, whenever I'm making my mixed drink, so I use it. Now I'm adding some sugar. Okay, not too much, half of it. Okay, that should be good. And some ice, not too much. Okay, because you want that cover to just go on. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to grab some more cold water, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, I have a little bit of water, guys. I'm going to use not too much, just a little tiny. Okay, let me put the cover on. Okay, and I'm going to blend that up. When we come back, I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you guys. I have my cups. Okay, I have 4. Let me show you guys. Okay, you see that? Oh, beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, now let me just pour it in. Okay, guys, you know what? I have to get something else, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's start adding some smoothie. Oh, look at that, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. All right. I hope I get 4 cups. Maybe not. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Ah, yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, guys. Yep. That's it. There you have it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add little pineapple around it. Okay. Guys, as I mentioned before, guys, summertime, guys, you have to do your thing. Okay, there you have it. You see that? My pineapple smoothie. Okay, so let me just, you know what, have a straw. Everybody gonna get a straw. Yellow. Oh, okay, you know what? Oh, 3 reds. Okay, so that's it, guys. There you have it. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave it down below. Okay, and remember to share with your family and friends, and make sure you give it a try. Okay, because it's very hot in Florida, you have to give that a try. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, it's time for me to taste. So thick, and you can taste the sweet and sour. And the vanilla I added, it's so good, guys. Good. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.